Welcome to the Quicken Home and Business tutorial. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up and using Quicken to manage your home and business finances. First, download and install the Quicken software on your computer. Once installed, launch the program and create a new file by selecting File and then New Quicken File. You will be prompted to choose the type of file you want to create. Select Home and Business. Next, set up your accounts by going to the Accounts menu and selecting Add Account. You can add checking, savings, credit card, and investment accounts. Enter the account name, type, and balance, and then link the account to your financial institution. Now, let's move on to tracking income and expenses. Go to the Income menu and select Add Income to record any income you receive. You can also set up scheduled income to automatically record recurring income. To track expenses, go to the Expenses menu and select Add Expense. You can categorize expenses to see where your money is going. Quicken also allows you to manage your business finances. Go to the Business menu and select Add Business to set up your business information. You can track business income and expenses, and also manage invoices and payments. To stay on top of your finances, use the Quicken dashboard to view your account balances, income, and expenses. You can also generate reports to see your financial situation in detail. Best practices for using Quicken include regularly updating your accounts, categorizing expenses, and reviewing reports to make informed financial decisions. By following these steps and using Quicken regularly, you can effectively manage your home and business finances and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, Quicken Home and Business is a powerful tool for managing your finances. By setting up your accounts, tracking income and expenses, and using the business management features, you can take control of your financial situation and make informed decisions.